We were on a job site up here in Baltimore. Job we did, I guess it was about 2010, 2011, and truck had ran into this one piece of this railing, busted up the concrete. So they had that fixed, and now we're up here today, and we're gonna redo the coating on everything so it all matches. This is the ultraviolet. It's faded a little bit, and then fix and repair the one color on the side. This was done in a redskin color years ago, so we're going to replace the burgundy coating and then recoat everything. Come around here, we'll take a peek. This railing got damaged by a truck backing into it. The truck was backing into this dock and missed where they were going, bent this railing all in. When they busted the railing, busted all this concrete out, this bottom step, tore it all up. So they re-poured this, fixed the railing, and now what we're going to do today is recoat this and redo this so everything matches together. So it's part of the repair. We just didn't want to do one piece of it and then be off a little bit. And they agreed it wouldn't look right. They wanted it to all look uniform. So we're going to recoat all this today so everything's uniform. And redo this over here. Some cracks and all that happened when the truck backed into it. It did some other damage in the coating and in the concrete. And this was so severe here at the bottom that they went ahead and repoured that. A concrete contractor got in here and repoured the concrete on the bottom step. And then a metal fabricator got back in and redid the railing. And we're going to do our piece today. Then this repair will be done. But we did this years ago, this entrance years ago, the vestibule going in, and we did the bathrooms in here in this building years ago. They called us back during the winter when this happened. And so we're going to get this repaired today. This will be all complete. And off we'll go on the next repair. So grind the whole thing, loosen the whole thing up and recoat everything. We'll paint that piece and then we'll do these steps to the new piece. Okay. Truck ran into here, busted all this up. So they replaced this, painted it. Okay.
You see there's a little cracks, don't you?
Yeah. But to make it all look good, we'll just recoat all of it, you know? Rough it, redo it, and then we can do this, everything. Everything in red skin, not in red skin, of course. Do that in red. Okay? Okay. Okay, senor. 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 Hey, great, let's take a look at this. It's really held up well. Obviously, this didn't get damaged like the driver backed in over there and bent that rail up. So that's why we're going to coat all that to make it look all uniform. But this is held up really nice. 10, 15 years. Looking good.
Yeah, no, it does.
Looking good.
The color's just so strong.
The color's real strong. Easy to wash it out. Springtime cleaning on it. It's a cleanser on it. Looking good though, isn't it?
Yeah, so all I did was power wash our floor over the weekend and now it looks brand new.
Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
Hey, we're up here in Lutherville. We just arrived from Arbutus, and today up here I got a couple crews and we're working on doing a pump replacement in a creek. This is a property that's on well. It's not a very strong well. The homeowner said, hey, if we can pump this water off a creek that's on my property, will that work? And it has worked the last 8 to 10 years. But unfortunately last summer, he had a thunderstorm, messed up the direction of the creek, a lot of branches, and pump got all full of sediment. So today we're going to install a new pump in a new structure and get a system up and ready for this upcoming lawn sprinkler season. Come along with us. We'll show you how we get this up and running. Okay, we're at the back of this client's home here in Lutherville, pumping out of this creek. It's on his property, and we're going to bring the water up the hill to his up into the turf part of his yard, and then we'll apply it there by normal means. But the guys are resetting this pump into a enclosure to keep out the sediment. The pump had gotten damaged during the thunderstorm, between the thunderstorm and a couple other events that all happened simultaneously last summer. So we're getting that replaced and getting this up and running today for the upcoming summer months. as we said earlier, had some of the screws missing out of the side of the pump and was leaking a lot of the prime. We got that up and running. As you can see, we got 4 sprinklers running at one time up here, pumping out of a creek 300 feet in the back of this client's property, on his property, but in the very back. We got to pump it up here to the street. We're really looking good. As you see here, we're pumping out a really nice volume of water. Take care of this client's property in Lutherville. This is coming off a custom pumping system off a creek in the very back of his property. We can take care of this fella's needs. We definitely can take care of your home. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.